Hello there, this is Nikolai Alexeyevich and he has worked in the Patton Welding Institute for over 30 years. He is going to demonstrate welding with the Patton Anno 36 Elite electrodes. The Anno 36 electrode is the most versatile electrode in the Patton welding range. These electrodes can be used to cover a wide gap well and are not overly sensitive to preparation of the welding surface. The electrodes are well packaged, protected by 3 layers of protection. First, there is a cardboard outer box, over which a shrink-fit plastic film is applied. The electrodes are contained inside the cardboard box in a sealed plastic bag which protects the electrodes during both transport and storage. Now Nikolai will demonstrate using the rods. He will use the Patton Pro 160 arc welder. Remember before starting to wear your safety PPE. We will look at welding 3mm diameter rods at 80 to 120 amps welding current and 4mm diameter rods at 130 amps to 180 amps welding current. Looking at the finished weld, we can see that the slag separates very easily from the weld. Again, the result is the same on welded T-joints. The slag separates very easily. After we cut through the weld using a bandsaw, we see looking at the weld cross section that it is defect free, with no slag inclusions and also no porosity in the weld. Here we have seen an example where 3 vertical weld runs have been laid down and the finished weld looks good. The Anno 36 electrodes are suitable for industrial and domestic use. Remember, always use good quality welding electrodes, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video.